Hey guys, we're taking a look at screen capture tools today. So I use Chrome OS. That's what this is being recorded on. We're currently using exactly this. We're currently using the built-in screen capture tool. I've got a few issues with it. It's super easy to use, so that's awesome. But then, it's literally Control Alt, yeah, F5. And as soon as you hit that, option comes up. You can just start recording right away. You can record your webcam and your audio. The problem is it doesn't do super high resolution, unfortunately. I don't know how it decides what resolution it's getting, but relatively low resolution. And if you do other weird things like change which you shouldn't do anyways, but if you were to change the size of this box, that's going to screw things up also. So, and you just shouldn't do that. So there's that. Anywho's, all right. So awesome screenshot, Loom or Screencastify. So I just took a look at Screencastify. I do love that, and there's a good chance it's going to be the one that we end up choosing. Let's see if I can get this. Explain this. Related images, copy text. Sure. Built-in Chrome tools. Da 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 da. We check that. Chrome extensions. Offers one-click screenshots, full page capture, video recording with annotations. Loom/Screencastify. The other issue I've had so far with Screencastify is it only wants to do WebP video, and I'd really prefer something else. MP4 would be great. So let's see. Light shot, go full page, fire shot. Focus on quick, easy screenshots, including full page captures with annotation notes. Cloud app, Nimbus capture. Tools for capturing, annotating, and sharing images and videos. Not terribly useful, but I do like the idea of having extensions. So let's take a look if we can figure this out. So, all right, well, we have a few things we want to know. So let's see if they tell us in the pictures. Record. Looks like you've got some control over your resolution. That's awesome. Visible part, full page, selected area. It's interesting. Selected area is also probably a good way to manage the size you want to set. Visible after delay. Okay. Looking positive. Looks like they have tab but not window. Visible part, full page, selected area. Oh, full page, that's interesting. We must be talking about, it's hard to imagine a video like that. Annotation, great. Capture chat GPT as an image with one click. Export chat GPT as image with one click. Gonna have to admit, don't fully understand that feature, and we're not gonna watch a video here. Best screen recording, screen capture. Want to share your screen purposes, technical issues, demos, how to, local screen recorder and cloud screen recorder. So they'll save locally or send out to the cloud. We got MP4. I would say that this is fairly useful. There is, okay. Yeah. All right, this one looks like it has features I need, so that is great. Let's take a look at some of its other recommendations. I've used Loom before. I like it. I don't think it's quite right for what I'm trying to do here because it's mainly focused about hosting videos, and it's really more of a go-to-market or sales and marketing sales tool. Screencastify, I do love, and it would likely work for what I'm trying to do. I'd need to spend a little bit more time with it to dial in the settings, but fairly sure Screencastify will try and do what I'm trying to do. And what am I trying to do? I'm basically trying to do videos where I just try and figure shit out like we're doing right now, and you come along for the ride. Listen to me talk out loud about it. Excuse me. All right, so Screencastify is great. They've kind of leaned into education more so they really focus on kind of making it easy for teachers to use their software, which is kind of what I'm doing. But all right, light shot, go full page, fire shot. Haven't heard of any of these. Let's take a look at what we're dealing with here. So open this up into a new tab. Screenshot tool, it's calling itself. Also only showing, so it looks like this one doesn't even do a screen capture or screen recorder. I noticed the last tool split those terms into different things. I'm not sure what the difference is between screen capture and screen recorder. I guess we're going to ask next. Take screenshot, share it in a few clicks, any part of the page. So this doesn't even seem to do video. Light shot doesn't seem like it's going to do what I want. By the way, I ran some other searches, and the problem here is that I couldn't tell on this PC Mag one. I didn't have a way to tell it what operating system I'm using, so I had to kind of pick through them. It did bring up this Vimeo Recorder, which I'm interested to try. I'm intrigued, but I haven't done enough research on it yet. And then I just took a look here. Snagit doesn't have Chrome OS. Well, it doesn't brag about its Chrome web abilities. That's mostly on-premise installed application. This person saying they like ShareX, open source screenshot tool for Windows. All right. And okay. Anyways, I think we're good there. So Vimeo, we want to keep taking a look at. Light shot, we know doesn't work. And scrolling back up, screen capture tools for OS. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Fire shot, picture full of partial web page screenshots. Samesies. So apparently I'm looking at only options that are, okay, You know what? We're not going to bother. We're going to go full page. Tools for capturing images and videos. All right, let's try Cloud App. And we are looking at, this looks like a software review offering up a bunch of downloads. I need something that's web-based. Has it in Chrome? Claims it has what we want. All right, let's do this. Cloud App screen capture. So what I want is a link out to their, oops, Sonic, da-da-da. Nope, okay. I don't know why that's not the same. All right, Cloud App. Such a generic name. I'm losing patience on this one. All right, we can do that. We are gonna go to open up a new tab. Let's see if we can find it quickly. We did land on the right one. Here's the English version of it. All right, what do we got here? Screen capture and recording. Excellent. Screen and cam, screen only. Capture, annotate. So if we can edit a little bit, annotate, get the whole web page top to bottom, include previews. That's kind of useful. Organize your content. They want to host your stuff. And there's a video. Best screen recorder. All right, let's see. Dewey screen recording. So they don't have. So I don't see resolution. I don't see file types. I see a fair amount of marketing hype, you know, and I don't. Yeah, I'm not loving it. I don't have a good feeling about it, so I'm just not gonna mess with it. All right. Nimbus capture. Definitely made me think of the character in Rick and Morty. Web clipper. I don't. I give up. This doesn't seem like it's a thing. Okay. Well, I am curious. I'm curious about this. I really like Vimeo. Vimeo video. Yeah. I believe it's pronounced Vimeo. Vimeo. It's the word video with an M. Video. Vimeo. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see here. AI-based recording. I'm sorry. Browser-based recording. Perfect. Teleprompter. Super useful stuff. Video management. Audio layouts. I am interested. I just like this company, and I think they keep their head in the right place. It looks like they have the screen recordings free. What's my role? Just me at the moment. I think I'm trying to grow my audience. Publish a scale. I'm really just trying to make videos I find interesting. Oh, I don't want a free trial. No. I just want the free version. Oh, thank you. Good to see you. Skip trial. Thank you. There we go. Oh, I love it. Got a good layout. Bet you I can change that. If I go into settings, there it is. We are going to have to upgrade, but 2K will take. Love that. If we just upgrade, we get it to 4K. Love that. Camera. Cool. All right. Open teleprompter. Cool. Do have to upgrade to get the teleprompter. That checks out. Camera settings. Microphone settings. Test 1, 2. Oh, I like that. Share screen. All right. So, and then I don't know if you can see this or not, but we can do Windows. Perfect. So this modal that popped up here is super familiar. If you're used to using Chrome OS, you'll see that. That's what you see when you go to share them. We got different layouts, camera only, screen and camera. Man, simple. Oh, and if you wanted to go big. Okay, cool. Got brand kits if you upgrade. Share screen, open teleprompter settings, open picture-in-picture, some sort of help. Yeah, just a FAQ, typical solutions type stuff. Cool. All right, this looks pretty positive. It's free. I'm not going to hit record because I'm not sure exactly what it's going to do. All right, here's the other one. Awesome screen recorder. Read and change all your data on all websites. That's scary. Capture content of your screen. Well, that's what I want it to do, so we got that going for us. Asking for me to sign in again, and oh, it's just telling me it wants us to pin this thing, of course. Whoops, that's its competitor. I'm not even sure if you can see what I'm doing right now, but no, manage, etc. Yeah, I don't have that button you're showing me, buddy. That's definitely, oh, is that it? Oh, I did have the button. And let's see, what am I looking for here? Application launcher. Awesome screen recorder. It wants me to pin. There we go. Gonna have to grant some accesses. Accesses. Add to Chrome. Done did. Well, this is some of the thing it wants me to install. Text extractions. It's basically Google Lens. Setup finished. Try recording now. Sure. Why not? So again, don't know if you see this modal, but it gave me the same, Chrome OS modal. It might actually be Chrome browser modal. I'm not quite sure exactly where it comes from. This is their icon. Capture, record, this tab, turn camera off or on, tab sounds, control bar and annotations down at the bottom. You can upgrade to get up to 1K. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, HD or 4K, MP4, awesome. Oh, that's kind of cool. Choose which one you want. Up to 5 minutes per video upgrade and unlock. Yeah, they've got a 5-minute freebie limit. I guess if you upload to their cloud, they don't put the limit on. I'm not sure. Cool. All right. So, well, it looks like we get more out of Vimeo than we get out of Awesome Screenshot in the freebie. That was one of our things. We want free. We want MP4, and we want HD, including results for screen capture tools, Chrome. Okay, fine, don't care. So guide, screen record to video guide, stop wasting time on documentation. They make it pretty clear what they're trying to do. This looks like an internal tool. Magically create stunning how-to guides with AI. Yeah, so this is meant as an internal tool for businesses, which maybe I'll do something with that at some point. I've got a reasonable amount of experience in that. The best screen capture tool, record any process. Okay, these guys have been showing up tons in search results, and they're also working on kind of internal training tools. Yeah, I think I remember these guys. They used this company must have pivoted to, let's see, can we learn more about them? I'm in a marketing landing page here, so I'm just gonna do this thing every marketer is gonna hate to see me do. They've got tools to keep track of me. They know who I am. So let's see here. Customer stories, product. I'm on a tangent. We're going to move on. Yeah, this is not the tool we need. This does belong over with those guide tools that we just looked at a minute ago. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. No, lied. Okay, here we go. This is what I want. Screen recorder alternative. Arcade versus screen recorders. Install the products. Product. Interactive demos. Creator Studio. Personalization integrations. Extensions. Desktop app. Figma plugin. Cool. This place looks dope. I've got a background in product management, growth marketing. I'm intrigued by this one. I definitely see why these are the people that are putting out ads. Show up to 3 demos, record anywhere, unlimited demos, basic insights, video editing, watermark. Cool. I'm intrigued, but it is not what we're looking for. Huh, what did I do wrong? That's what I did wrong. Okay, did Atlassian buy Loom? Is that what happened? Or did they found Loom and I don't know it? I'm a fan of Loom. It's a go-to-market tool, so not something we need here. I see what it's doing. It somehow has these two like chained together. That's what I keep moving the other ones off to a different tab just to keep our workflow, I'm sorry, our window a little bit more clean. I couldn't even find this one, and it's also notable that it doesn't have a link. Wondershare demo error. All right, let's take a look at this one. All righty, I block. Let's see. We already looked at this one. Don't know that one. Oh, getting another ad incoming. Haha, caught it. Nimbus Hippo video screen recorder. I love the name. What are we talking about here? Records and power effective screencast. Only basic toolkit for free users. Transitions required to paid deluxe plan. All right. So you can see we're kind of back to Screencastify, which I did have good luck with and I've used pretty extensively in the past. So I've already got them installed. Certainly consider them to be a contender. Right now, I would say my contenders are Screencastify. Let's see here. Screencastify and Vimeo. And did we decide this one? If it's still open, that means I didn't kick it. Yes. Okay. This one's in the running. Vimeo, do you have a better name for your thing? More actions. Let's see here. Vimeo record screen. All right. Let's see. All right. So now we're going to head over into Gemini and we're going to say, will you? So Gemini's role on this one, creative. How about technical? Creative at a, let's see, like an agency. Yeah. I need to do some more learning about prompt engineering, but okay. Role, task, compare and contrast these tools provided. Rules, solution must support MP4 file format, 4K or HD screen capture. And it also looks like we figured out screen recording is truly what we want to be able to do, the audio. And do we have anything else? Store local would be nice. Okay. Written down here. All right, let's see what that was. Not a particularly good prompt. Definitely just something I made up as I go, as you saw. All right, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Cool. So MP4 support. All 3 of them have it. Ooh, Vimeo. I think we'll have to look into this one. Looks like it means we'll have to ask it, but I think it's saying that I don't think it work. It's going to take more than the browser extension, which means it's not going to work on my setup. Let's see, Screencastify. All 3 of them support it, or 4K supported by all 3. Looks like a paid feature for all of them. Local storage, you can export from Screencastify. I think you actually have to pay for that feature. Vimeo puts it in the cloud. You can download and awesome screen recorder goes straight to disk. Browser, desktop app, Chrome extension. So Screencastify may win simply because it is 100% Chrome native. Awesome screen recorder. Looks like it might be worth a shot. Yeah, I think this is one of the reasons why we were using it before. Looks like definitely paying for this one in order to get that. I don't really need 4K, but I definitely want more than 720. Storage logic. Yep, we understand that. excellent for agencies already running in the Google workspace, which we are. Submit features a hidden gem for collecting video feedback from clients without requiring them to install anything. Kind of like that a lot. Vimeo Record. Interesting. We were using Vimeo in my last production house for getting feedback. In the end, we started off with a different one. We ended up going to Vimeo. Does not support local only Vimeo directories. Client-facing presentations. It's you can get professional player customization, review tools, time-coded comments. Do love that. Of the three, this is the most flexible utility tool, often preferred by technical leads who need granular control. Highly reliable 4K, okay, and it likes MP4. Nice. Offers a dedicated local trace mode. You can save and record your hard drive bypassing cloud entirely. I dig that. Power user choice. Allows for selected area recording with precise dimensions. I do like the selected area control because it means I could move things in and out. I'm basically trying to figure out how to do some videos with kind of a one-take informal format here. Technical recommendation. Choose also if you need primary local first 4K workflows. Let's give it a try, shall we? So I think I agree on this. And I'm also feeling pretty confident that we know that question I had, which was this one. So the question is, that's just saying, got it. All right, now that I read the rest, I understand what it's trying to say here. This is basically just saying, sure, you can get an MP4, you just got to download it. And can you get it to local storage? Well, kind of after you download. So yeah, I like the precision control. It looks like this might actually work pretty well. So that is what we're gonna try for. And for $6 a month, I mean, whatever, it's basically free. Up to 6 hours per recording. Yeah. Beautiful. Slack, Trello, got it. Interesting. Very cool. Well, we're going to give Awesome Screenshot a try and see how it goes. Thanks for coming along for the ride.